Hi y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Cars and Garage, and welcome back to another short, quick video. So, we learned the demise on this car. Once Huey got here, we did some testing and so on and so forth. Not electrical. It's probably one of the most expensive parts that needs to be replaced on this car, because we took the hood, opened the hood. And inside the hood, inside the engine compartment, underneath the air breather, took this off, and I don't know if you can see on the camera, but the fuel pressure regulator had fuel all around it. The vacuum line had come off of the PCV valve, or the bypass valve, and this was covered with gas. There wasn't gas getting up into the fuel distributor, and therefore we believe that that has consequently failed, and that could have been another reason why it had a hard start issue. And well, it's going to be, I'm going to have to budget for that. Now, I found some there while we were driving to go get that, as you saw in the last video. The fuel pressure regulator, a brand new one, a Bosch, is actually over $400 for that one part. Now, I happen to have one, but it's the wrong one. Let me sneak in here and see if I can find it. And if you look back on a couple of my other videos, it's not important. If you look back on a couple of my other videos where I changed it out on the white 300 SE, yeah, that's the part. So I happen to have a used one, but it doesn't match the part number on this one. So I've got to match it, and that's important. And so I probably will do a video of me changing the fuel pressure regulator on this and see if the car starts. We know it's got gas in it, it's full, it overflowed. And so now, this car enjoyed a nice rain, but I can't move the car. Fortunately, it got right into this spot, so I had the 560 out today. While we were gone, we had a thunderstorm, it got rained on, and well, it's been a day. So but there you have it. Oh, it's got a screwdriver stuck right here. Put that there. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't slam that down on that. I would have dent my hood. So there you go, folks. That's the update on the 300 SL. Got to order a part, a very expensive part. I may try the $180 used one. I've ordered a used one for that car, and it seemed to work okay. But we'll see what happens. So comments down below, share this with your friends. This is turned into an expensive little nightmare, and to appease my wife, excuse me, with the car that she wants. There it is on screen. I was hoping maybe this would be one to sell, or I may sell my 300 SD. We'll see what happens. I don't think they're going to take the 300 SD on the trade, and that was another thing I was going to try to do, was take the cluster out today, do a video of that. But it was important to get my daughter into, my daughter and Huey into a car, because he has the front end of his Triton 5.4 off his pickup. He's got it apart to replace the cam phasers. So But that's at his house, not here. Thanks for watching. Comments down below, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. Follow the channel. This will be in the playlist, so you can continue on with this car and see where track where we're at on that. And hopefully in a week or maybe two, we'll get it started again. Have a great day. Be safe out there, and thanks again for watching.